Understanding the phrase, debut. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we'll delve into an interesting word often used in the worlds of music, cinema, fashion, and many other fields, debut. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of its meanings and how to use it in various contexts. The word debut originates from the French verb débuter, which means to begin. In English, debut generally refers to the first appearance or introduction of something or someone to the public or to a particular audience. Examples: a singer's first album can be referred to as their debut album. An actor's first performance in a movie might be called their film debut. Let's look at some sentences to better understand its usage. 1. The band's debut album was a massive hit. 2. She made her debut in the world of fashion at the age of 18. 3. The company's debut product received rave reviews from tech enthusiasts. From the above examples, it's clear that the term can be used in various contexts, always highlighting the first nature of the subject in question. Debutante. This is a term used, especially in traditional societies, to refer to a young woman making her first formal appearance in society, often at a ball or similar event. Debuted. This is the past tense of the verb form of debut. For instance, the movie debuted at the top of the box office. We hope this video has given you a comprehensive understanding of the term debut. It's a versatile word that you'll come across often, especially when discussing first appearances in any industry or field. Keep practicing, and soon, using debut will be second nature to you. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.